Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and colorful friendship band at home for Friendship Day. So please follow the whole step very carefully. And if you wanna see more friendship band video like this, please check the description box or simply click on I button. So I hope you love my idea, and if you have any queries then please comment me below and please hit the like button because it's really motivate me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any updates.